हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल कलर्स ऑफ लाइफ। मैं पिंकी पॉल आपके सामने एजुकेशनल ब्लॉग लेके कई दिनों से आ रही हूँ। और जैसे कि आपको पता ही है कि मैंने क्लास 9 का आईसीएसई बायोलॉजी का फर्स्ट चैप्टर लिया हुआ है। उसमें हमने कुछ पार्ट्स कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं और कुछ बाकी हैं जो मैं आज इस ब्लॉग में करवाऊंगी। मुझे नहीं पता है कि मैं आप लोगों की कितनी मदद कर पा रही हूँ कि नहीं, लेकिन मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश कर रही हूँ। अगर आप लोगों को किसी को भी कुछ क्वेरी है तो वो आप लोग मेरे कमेंट बॉक्स में डाल सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगी मैं आपके हर क्वेरीज का आंसर दे सकूँ। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं नेक्स्ट टॉपिक से। लेट्स स्टार्ट। फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम टू माय चैनल कलर्स ऑफ लाइफ. It is an educational channel. Last time we have discussed about the cell organelles and some of the cell organelles we will discuss today. At first we will discuss about the plastid. Plastids are one type of cell organelles that are found only in the plant cells. There are different types of plastids. First is chromoplast, second is chloroplast, and the third one is leucoplast. Now at first we will discuss about the chloroplast. All of you know that the green parts of the plant contain chlorophyll, and the chlorophyll is mainly present in the chloroplast. They are clearly, it is marked into a colorless ground matrix called stroma, and the matrix inside the chloroplast is known as the stroma, and the membrane system is called the grana. Now we will come to the next plastid, chromoplast. All of you have seen that most of the fruits have different colors, just like watermelon, orange, papaya, etc. This color is due to the presence of the plastid called chromoplast. Main function of the chromoplast is that it provides the color to the fruits and vegetables. Now the last plastid is the leucoplast. Leucoplasts are the colorless and have no pigment. Their function is the only that is store starch in them, like potato tuber, rice grains, etc. Function of chloroplast. Function of chloroplast is chloroplast traps solar energy with the help of chlorophyll for manufacturing food during photosynthesis. Therefore, they are called the kitchen of the cell. Chloroplasts are also known as the kitchen of the cell because they make food for the plants, and this food is conducted to the different parts of the plant. Next point is chromoplasts give characteristic color to the flowers and fruits. We have already discussed about it, and leucoplasts help in the storage of food. Let's start with the next cell organelle called Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is also known as Golgi bodies. Golgi complex or Golgisome is a special portion of endoplasmic reticulum meant for cell secretion. It was first observed by Camillo Golgi. It consists of flattened sacs or cisternae in the form of stacks, clusters of tubules or vesicles, large vesicles or vacuoles. In plant cells, the Golgi apparatus consists of several interconnecting subunits called dictosome. This apparatus, Golgi apparatus, is also known as Golgi bodies as it was observed by a scientist named Camillo Golgi. That's why we call this cell organelle Golgi apparatus. And if we discuss about our structure, we see that these are the flattened sacs, means flattened bags type like structure, and cisternae in the form of stacks, large vesicles or vacuoles are present in it. And in plant cells, the Golgi apparatus consists of several interconnecting subunits. These are called the dictosomes. Now come to the functions of Golgi apparatus. It helps in the secretion of the mucus, enzymes and hormones, storage of secretory products, formation of acrosome in sperms. Now come to the next cell organelle called lysosomes. Lysosomes are mainly found in animal cells. They are spherical and sac-like structures. They contain several digestive enzymes, and which when released bring about the breakdown of the cytoplasmic structures. These lysosomes are also called the suicide bags of the cell. If digestive enzymes are released freely in the cell, they would result in auto-digestion of the cell itself. Therefore, they are referred to as the suicide bags of the cell. Means sometimes they auto-digest their own enzymes in the cell itself. That means they are harming itself. That's why it is known as the suicide bags of the cell. Function of the lysosomes: it protects the body from bacteria and virus by digesting them. They remove and destroy the old worn out cell organelles. They digest the stored food during starvation. They provide energy by controlled breakdown of stored food substances. Now come to the next part of the cell, that is known as the nucleus. Nucleus is the main cell part of the cell, and it is small in nature. It is spherical or oval structure. It was discovered by Robert Brown in the year 1831, and the nucleus consists of nucleoplasm, nucleolus, and chromatin network. Nuclear membrane is also there. Now we talk about the nuclear membrane. It is just a membrane around the nucleus, and the membrane is performed by several nuclear pores, which allows exchange of materials between nucleus and the cytoplasm. Main function is that it takes place in the exchange of the materials between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. Now nucleoplasm is a liquid part that is inside the nucleus. That's why it is known as the nucleoplasm. And this nucleoplasm is mainly consists of granular form, or it is known as the nuclear sap. Now the nucleolus. Nucleolus is present inside the nucleus. It is also oval in shape, and it consists large amount of RNA enzymes within which are used in protein synthesis. The nucleolus and nuclear membrane disappears during the cell division and reappear at the end of it. When we discuss about the mitosis and meiosis, we will see this performer in the of cell division in the nucleus.